afternoon, everyone. Well, you're watching us in the morning, but it's afternoon for us now. So the girls and I have had a busy day cleaning because Matt and I are leaving in 4 days. Hi, pup. Do not jump on me. Do not jump on me!
And he jumped on you.
No, he just tripped me. But today, he's wet. Kennel. Today is mine and Matt's, or Matt and mine's 14-year and wedding anniversary. As tradition, since our first wedding anniversary, we are going to be cooking together. When I say cooking together, Matt's gonna be cooking and making a fabulous dinner, and I'm gonna be doing little stuff to just help him get done. So that's our day today, and so we're super excited and we're happy, and it's amazing, you know, to look back and just, you know, talk today of just everything that we've been through in the past 14 years, everything we've done together, having 3 beautiful little girls, and yeah, so happy anniversary to us. So let's get some cooking on. Are you having fun? So we basically had just like a really nice dinner together. It took like 2 hours to cook all that, which isn't terrible, but it was still, we got to bed late. So, but we just had a nice relaxing evening the rest of the evening. The kids played in the playroom for a while. Matt and I watched some Star Trek, and we just, that's how it is with us though, and that's how it's been for 14 years. It's just, we're a couple, and this is how we live our lives, and you know, and we're going away for the weekend, so like we didn't need anything elaborate or anything like that. We just had a nice, wonderful meal at home, and it's a once-a-year thing for us, and we that's what we like to do. That's what we enjoyed. So thanks for following us along on this short vlog, but yeah, so happy anniversary, sweetheart. I love you very much, and thank you to the rest of you for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye.